What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my June favorite. Sorry, I'm a little bit late this month, but a lot has been going on in July, so thoda delay ho gaya video. But in today's video, I have so many makeup products. Last month, I think I did not have even one makeup product, and in the month of June, I went all in. I tried so many new products and I have a lot of favorites. So yeah, let's just get started. Since I hyped up so much about my makeup favorites, I feel like I should start with makeup. The first favorite is a base product. This is by Nykaa and this is their concealer palette. So I use the shade Medium 02 and it comes with 3 highlighting concealing shades, and then we have 3 shades for contouring, which I do use for like cream contouring, and I love this palette. It's so versatile. I personally, my shade keeps fluctuating. I don't know why that is. So I have the option to like make my custom shade every time I'm using it. I always dip into this yellow color because it really brightens my under eyes, and if you have dark circles, yellow sort of pigment really helps conceal that. So the shade variety is obviously great, but I love the formula. I would compare this formula to the Maybelline's Age Rewind. The Age Rewind has amazing coverage. This also has really good coverage, and I would totally recommend this. Talking about contour, this is what I've been using to bronze / contour. Now this is by K by Katrina. This is a powder, a compact powder. I have mentioned this very product in one of my previous favorites, but it was a different shade and I used it to set my face, whereas this is the shade 18OY Deep. Now this is a much darker shade than my actual skin tone, which is why I use this for contouring and to warm up my face. I've already mentioned I love the formula of this powder and I had this shade lying around, so I just thought I should try contouring with it, and it works, and this is what I've been using the whole month. I'll actually start off with this as the cream contour and then I'll layer it and set it with this powder. I actually have one more powder. I am an oily mess and it's really humid here in Mumbai, so I need to powder very frequently. Let's just say like every hour at least. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I get very oily, and that is when I use this powder, again by K by Katrina. Video not sponsored by anyone, not by K by Katrina either. I just love their products and I've had this for a while, ever since it launched, and I used it even then. Like, it's a translucent powder, so I would just like use it to set my makeup, just like absorb all the oiliness. It's nice on top of makeup, but I really love it without any makeup. Like on my bare skin, when I'm wearing nothing, I just use this and powder my entire face. This is, as I mentioned, translucent powder, so इसमें कोई color नहीं है. It's not gonna add anything to my face. It just nicely absorbs all of the oil and mattifies my skin and kind of gives it almost like a blurring effect. I will say this works really well under light makeup. Like if you're just going to be wearing concealer and if you want to set that, you can use this, but this is obviously not going to give you any coverage, so keep that in mind. But I love this. Every oily girl needs this. Next, we have an eyebrow pencil. This is by Blue Heaven. It's very inexpensive. I think it's under 200 rupees, yeah, even 150 rupees. Very inexpensive. It comes with a spoolie and then the actual product right here. Almost done with this product. The reason why I wanted to mention this in my favorites is because recently I've noticed that my brow hair has been going a little bit crazy. Like it kind of pokes up, especially my tail, and this product is able to hold it down throughout the day. Now this is very waxy, so keep that in mind. It's good pigment also, but there's lots of wax in it, so that really helps me tame my hair and keep it in place. I don't feel the need to go in with a gel on top, and I just don't like to make my eyebrow routine very complicated. I like to do just one product and that's it, and this product does the job for me. This has been my favorite eyeshadow palette, and I feel like if you can afford this, I feel like everyone needs this in their collection. This is the James Charles mini palette. So since this is the mini palette, the pans are also much smaller, which I actually don't mind at all, because when do you actually ever finish any eyeshadow palette, right? So this just works really well for me. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, I got this from an Instagram store called Beauty Bar Lounge, and I got it for 3,500 rupees. As you can see, there are a lot of bright and beautiful colors, but they also have some neutrals, so it's the perfect balance. I love using this second shade as a highlighter. I'm actually wearing it even today. on my face. I love it. It looks so beautiful. It's the perfect balance of like gold and silver, so really good on my skin tone personally. And then I'm wearing this orangey shade in my lids today for like a neutral look, but I've been creating a lot of really like fun colorful looks using this. It's been pushing me out of my comfort zone and I love it. It's such a good palette. The shadows blend in like a dream. And talking about the pigmentation, let me actually just show you how pigmented these products are. I'll just swatch them right here. This is just one swatch, okay, of the products. Really good. I would say it's really good. They are a little bit chalky, but I feel like they're chalky on purpose because it just makes the whole process of blending a lot easier, in my opinion at least. That's what I've noticed. Usually colored eyeshadow is very difficult to work with, again in my opinion, and these, like working with these isn't as difficult. So I would totally recommend this, and I feel like whenever I will be traveling next, I feel like I will be carrying this with me because I can create so many looks with just one palette. Next we have lipsticks. We have 3 lipsticks in total. The first one has to be like a nude shade, and this is by K by Katrina. I'm mentioning K by Katrina so many times. It's only that I love the brand and I honestly love all of their products. I've used this lipstick quite a lot. This is in the shade Muse, and that's what I'm actually wearing even right now on my lips. Very nice nude color. It is cool tone, so it might look a little bit weird at times, but I feel like this looks especially beautiful when you do like a smoky eye or a bold eye. This just kind of balances everything out. And the next 2 colors are a little bit out of my comfort zone. You guys usually see me wearing just nude colors, but these 2 I have been loving. The first one is in the shade Indie Maroon. Such a beautiful red maroon shade, and it looks stunning on my skin tone. I think it's so flattering. By the way, these lipsticks are by Lakme and it's their matte melt mini collection. Very affordable and I love the formula. मैंने एक nude umbrella करके shade भी share किया था in my previous video, in my favorites video. And then this is the second shade. This is like an ox blood color, very dark. I posted actually an image of like wearing this on my Instagram as well, and this is in the shade Wine Voyage. Love the formula. Very lightweight. The colors are also stunning, and in one like swipe it's so pigmented and beautiful. I love these. Okay, next I'm done with the makeup. Now I have one skincare favorite and one hair care favorite. I'm going to start with my hair care favorite. This one is by Livon and this is called their anti-germ hair spray. It says that it instantly fights and protects from germs and microbes. So how I use this is I keep this near the entrance of the house along with my sanitizer spray and my sanitizer that I use for my hands. So once I'm done sanitizing my hands and whatever like bag and stuff that I have with the spray, I'll use this in my hair. It's probably a bit much, I do realize that, but it's supposed to sanitize your hair in a way and it smells really nice. Obviously you don't want to overuse this because I'm pretty sure this has alcohol in it, but I feel like I step out of the house like maybe like 5 times in a month max, so it's okay for me to use it those 5 times. And I personally just feel extra good when I use this. I just feel like I'm completely sanitized and मुझे tension नहीं होता basically. So I just thought I would share this with you guys because it's a very unique product. Yeah. Skincare favorite. This is the face wash by Dermaweave. This is their Hydra cleanser. This video is not sponsored. It sucks that I have to like constantly keep saying that it's sponsored or not sponsored, but anyway, it's an amazing face wash and it smells like black cherry. I love the fragrance of black cherry. It is strong at first, but once you wash it off, the smell also goes away. If you have dry skin, close your eyes and buy this. If you have dry and sensitive skin, oh my god, this is perfect. It even says that it's good for like people who have eczema. That's how gentle it is on your skin. Once you wash it off, your skin is gonna feel baby soft. And one more thing actually, always shake it before you use it, वरना जब आप use करने जाओगे ना तो उसका सारा पानी निकलेगा. So make sure you shake it and then you use it, and it's just a very easy everyday cleanser. I have one here at the studio and I bought one more from Amazon to keep it back home as well. That's how much I love it, and I personally use this in the morning in case you are wondering. At night I prefer something like a Neem Himalaya face wash because मुझे सारा makeup निकालना होता है. So after I'm done using like a makeup remover, then I like to use something more heavy duty. This won't work to remove makeup. This is just a cleanser, a very lightweight cleanser, so perfect for the morning time. So I have two random favorites. The first one is this Camphor Ki Potli, which I got from Amazon. You get a set of 4, and the reason why it's in my favorites is because I used this during my period. So मुझे personally काफ़ी vomiting जैसा sensation होता है, especially on the first day of my period, and I did not vomit even once because I had this with me. So I would just smell it, like inhale it, and it would just make me feel calm, and like the nauseous feeling would go away. And it honestly did make my whole like process, like my period process, a lot smoother. I don't know why, it's probably psychological, but the smell is very calming and I really enjoyed this. I have like potlis of these all around the house, like one in the kitchen, one in the living room, one in the bedroom. Just makes everything smell nice, and I like the smell of camphor. So if you like it too, I think you'll enjoy it. You can keep this in your car as well. I don't personally keep it in my car, just at home. The second random favorite is actually attached to my laptop. So basically I got these privacy tabs from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you guys, but basically it's like a window that you can slide open and close on your webcam. So मैं तो पूरा टाइम उसको बंद ही रखती हूँ, but in case ever I need to like use my webcam or do any sort of like video calling, then I'll open the tab. I've put it on all my laptops. I've given one to Aditya to put it on his laptop as well, because I am just a paranoid person in general. I've personally seen so many like horror stories where people's webcams खुले रह जाते हैं and people are like tracking them and stalking them and kidnapping them and whatever. You get the point. I'm a little extra only, but I feel like taking a precaution is better. So just buy them there for like 100-200 rupees. Put it on your laptop and you're sorted. Okay, on to snacks. The first one is this cereal right here. This is by Soulful, and this is their fruit and nut millet muesli, 90% whole grains, fruits and nuts, high in fiber, benefit of ragi. You get the point. It's a healthy cereal option, and I am obsessed with this cereal. This is all I've had this month and I'm almost done. इतना सा बचा है, तो अभी next 3-4 दिन चल जाएगा मुझे. But it's so yummy. I love this cereal. It's not overly sweet where you feel like you're eating sugar. There are pieces of raisin and fruits also in there, तो जब वो मुंह में आते हैं obviously you'll get like a nice sweet taste, but otherwise it's like very wholesome. I will say this fills me up for a while. Like if I have a little bit of this in the morning, I will be full for at least 2 hours, which is a lot. I'm always hungry, perpetually hungry, and this keeps me full. So that just says a lot about this product. You can get this from Amazon. I'm pretty sure I get it from Big Basket, and I love it. Just try it out for yourself and you'll love it. It's a lot healthier as compared to like the other cereals out there. In case you were wondering, this is what it looks like. Ittu sa bacha hai mere paas, and it's like a mixture of a lot of different things. There are these like brown like millet like things which are so crunchy and they're very yummy. Like I love the cereal. You guys get the point. Now with the cereal, I have this milk. This is the milk that I use. This is by Amul. This is their lactose-free milk. Now I don't know if I'm lactose intolerant. I haven't gotten like an official test for it. But even like during these days in June, whenever I was having like milk with this like real milk, I used to break out like crazy. Like I would get these big pus wale pimples. I have one right here which just won't go away, and I don't get those types of pimples on a regular basis. So I know that I need to like cut down my dairy. So I've been using this, and honestly it tastes like milk. Straight up milk जैसा ही taste होता है, consistency भी milk जैसा ही है, but it doesn't break me out. So this is another one of my favorites. Also, I have one more drink which is my favorite, which is again healthy. It's green juice. I showed you guys my recipe of the green juice in my 5 a.m. morning routine, and I still follow that more or less. Like जो भी फ्रिज में होता है वो मैं डाल देती हूँ उसमें. I'll actually show you like a proper recipe, like my updated recipe in an upcoming vlog. But green juice has been one of my favorites. I have it, I would say, every other day or every 2 days छोड़ के. So I get my greens in and I like the taste as well. Polaroid of the month. This is the only Polaroid that I've taken in the whole month. I think this was taken on the 20th of June जब मैं vaccination के लिए गई थी. So there's me, there's Shikhar, and then there's Adi at the back. But yeah, this is the only time I like went out, I think in the month of June, and it was worth taking a picture. So yeah, this is all I have. Guess what? I also have a TV series favorite, which is Breaking Bad. I know I'm so late to this train. Everyone loves Breaking Bad. Everyone's seen Breaking Bad. I finally saw it and it's really, really good. I mean, obviously, I think it's like number one in terms of like TV series. It's rated higher than Game of Thrones as well, and I see why. It's a really, really good show. I personally started watching it when I had my COVID scare. If you remember seeing that vlog, that's when I started watching it, and I finished the whole thing in like 10-11 days. So the series is basically about drugs and meth and stuff like that, but there's so much more to it. It's not only about the drugs. It's a very like complex show, and also I love the way they like bring everything together in the end. Like everything makes sense. There are no loose ends like Game of Thrones. It's just a good show. So if you want to watch something that's intense, it is intense, I will say that. It's not light-hearted, but it's nice, it's fun, it keeps you in the loop and you feel excited about watching the next episode. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Everything that I spoke about will be linked down below, don't worry about it. And subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Ski On, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.